Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a virtual card in Zed app. So before anything else, you want to make sure your account is fully approved and you can log into the Zed app. Once you're inside, you'll see your card dashboard. And one of the best features of the Zed credit card is that it allows you to create multiple virtual cards, and each one comes with its own unique card number and security details. That's perfect for online shopping, free trials, or subscriptions because it keeps your main card protected. Now, to create a virtual card, just head to the card section in the app and look for the option that says something like Create Virtual Card. You want to tap it, and within seconds, the app will generate a brand new virtual MasterCard for you. Right away, you'll see the card number, expiration date, and CVV, so you can start using it immediately for online purchases. And after creating it, you can even customize it by giving it a name like shopping or subscriptions so you know exactly what it's for. You can also set spending limits for better control, and if you ever feel unsure about a merchant or want to stop recurring charges, you can simply lock or delete that virtual card. Once it is deleted, it can't be used again, which adds an extra layer of security. And that's it. Creating a virtual card in the Zed app is quick, flexible, and gives you full control over your online spending. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!